To grow a dogwood plant, you will need to follow these steps. Choose a location. Dogwood trees prefer well-drained soil in a location that receives partial to full sun. Plant your dogwood tree in the fall or spring, making sure to dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Backfill the hole with soil and water well. Water and fertilize. Water your dogwood tree regularly, making sure the soil stays consistently moist. Fertilize the tree in the spring with a balanced fertilizer. Prune and shape. Prune your dogwood tree in the late winter or early spring to shape it and remove any dead or damaged branches. To care for a dogwood tree, you should water. Dogwood trees need consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. Water your tree regularly, making sure the soil stays consistently moist. Fertilize. Fertilize your dogwood tree in the spring with a balanced fertilizer, such as Prune. Prune your dogwood tree in late winter or early spring to shape it and remove any dead or damaged branches. Monitor for pests. Keep an eye out for pests such as aphids, scale, and powdery mildew, and take action if necessary. Provide proper sunlight. Dogwood trees prefer partial to full sun. Drainage. Make sure that the soil is well drained. Dogwood trees do not tolerate standing water. Mulch. Mulch around your tree to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Be patient. Dogwood trees can take a few years to establish and start blooming, but with proper care, they will eventually grow into beautiful, healthy trees.